As per sources, it was alleged that at a recent incident on the 30th of January 2023, a young man by the name of Charming Star Marngar was assaulted by some unknown miscreants at the office of the Khasi Students Union situated in Jaiaw Chapel Road, Shillong. Following this, the sister, who is a witness to the incident, along with the uncle of Charming Star Marngar and his relatives, met reporters on the 2nd of February 2023 to inform that the youth had a telephonic conversation with the KSU President Lambokstar Marngar on the 30th of January, where he had asked the victim to visit the organization's office at Jaiaw. On arrival at the office, the youth was beaten up by unknown people with masks on, informed the victim's sister. The uncle of the victim, who had also made clarifications on the assault incident, sought the intervention of the law so as to enable the culprits to be brought to book.
Hub nungdo karbani papau bahaka ta jingjia ka arpo tering lai bejemen stem kawan kawai ka force bolero force kapadon yo number ML05S 0337 kawan daw taw number umba prangot ki kena ki awan nang ta ki don nakata jaka te ki apan pisa mo te nalor kataro ki kador te kum ka tip jungi naman kidon kitu ki balik lang but I para jungi ro nila persang kali hapo police station ro ngala kali ngasngap na kiru mo nama ka arpo teri ngam don on the spot ngam la ban batai shai kedar mo ni hap snap ki witness ki ba batai ni ka jinja te kidon mi tai ki ba hub lengdo kharbani mo ala ta po oh lengdo maunai sorry ngala I hub lengdo maunai tai bapa kerteng menta bangi yo cintu baden ba iong ba ilawan na kata bolero force badan yo tu nomor bangla mention mene da ka badeng mas bat kim batai kila dawai kata pisam kila ong ba ngam tip kacing ya keren jungki yang tu kalong kumno ndai kala po ya uput ba ui na pedeng jungki bula sei urot na po ka sokti jungu utep akan tikung tu kajing batai jung tu witness mangayo so pula se uron bom para cuma na symptom te kala mi snam yang kandian imasin mi snam onda haka jing persang man yada ya lade ban defense ya lade ma uro la tak tilang ngin tok le yu ya kata ngim dei ban tok te la tak tilang te ngatarai kala bande na kata kadaw pakasapoi kini ki baro kumbaga KSU ka kam andre nadu tu ka ta janmit mo ta kam step lai beje la dari pensyai te kam la syai baro mo baki de ki kena sing kila de ban identify la de baki de kena sing ting ting kata ka po te iperkhat ki no te ki mo